Let's talk about how to get Weka onto your computer. This is the homepage of the Weka project, and you'll see under the Getting Started menu down here is the option to download. So you want to click on that, and you're going to get a big long page with lots of information. Basically what you want to do here, one, this is telling you to make sure that you have the latest version of Java because it's going to work best with that. And if we scroll down, what you're going to see is that there's lots of versions of Weka that you can download. The page goes quite a ways. What you want, unless you know you don't want this, is the stable version. So this is, as the name implies, the most stable version. It's been tested. Everything's most likely to work here. And you'll see that it's broken down first by operating system and then the type of system that you have. So I'm on a Mac. I just have the one option to download. And so just click on the here for whatever version of this you need, and it's going to download a version for you. So now I have it downloaded here, showing up on my desktop. If you have Windows, you'll see an exe, but basically you're going to double-click whatever it downloaded for you, and that's going to give you the option to actually start installing. You may have a proper installer on Windows. In the Mac, you have the app right here, and you can just go ahead and drag that into your applications folder. Once that's done, you can then just run your Weka. Just by double-clicking it like normal, and you get their little bird logo, and it's going to come up, and you can actually start experimenting. Take a look in the comments for the video that actually walks you through the graphical user interface and what all these different parts are.